Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. And if you're joining for the very first time, I love the fact that you clicked on my video and you're watching this right now. You're the real MVP. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video so you can click on my other videos and watch them as well. In today's video, I'm going to be doing long twists. It's going to be long, it's going to be twists, and it's going to be ombre color. This is the hair I'm going to be using. It's an X-pression brand. Look at how long it is. It is. Oh, it's actually 30 inches. I thought it was longer. It's 30 inches, so that's not so bad because I'm going to fold it in two. Right. Oh, it's not going to be long. And it's called the Springy Bohemian. Springy, I love that word. But yeah, apparently people use this for like butterfly locks or distressed locks. But I'm gonna use it to do twists. I'll put up a link so you know where to get it as well. This is also the first time I'm trying this color. I'm trying a 2T1B/30. I don't know what that means, but what I know is it's like a copper, like an ombre copper type color, I guess. So I'm gonna do like a medium large. We're gonna have a center part from the middle all the way to the back so we can divide our hair equally. The way I part my center part, I just go as the spirit leads at first, from beginning to end, using my fingers to sort of feel what I'm doing. Then I put one side away and use my mirror to see. Usually at this point, because I'm gonna be doing box braids, this is clean enough because I'm still gonna do my parts. Oh wow, I'm getting so good at parting my hair without looking these days. This is what practice and consistency does. I've parted the middle of my head at least over 100 times at this point, so it's like reflex. Before I forget to mention, this is freshly washed damp hair that I have applied leave-in conditioner, scalp cream on my scalp, Monoi milk moisturizer, and oil to seal. As I'm going, I add a little bit of more product just for slip, but I'll let you know what products I use. As usual, all the products I use are always linked down in my description so you can access them easily. Okay, let's start the first row at the back. So as usual, the way I part, I use my thumb and my index finger as a guide to let me know where I'm starting my part from beginning to the end. I use a mirror to look at it, and I draw the line from where my index finger and my thumb is. So just put this away so we can clean up a line. I still don't feel like it's straight enough. I could do better. Put my hand again. Let's see. Much better. I will always be the first one to tell you, oh, you know your line, it doesn't matter if your line isn't straight or not. But when it comes to me, I'm like, it has to be straight, but sometimes just let it go because I'm like, you know what, as the spirit leads. I'm going to do the other side as well, so we have matching lines. Okay, so now that I have done that part at the back, I think I'm gonna have 2 on each side. So 2 on the left and 2 on the back, on the right. So I have 4 braids, 4 twists. Again, same thing, put one finger at the bottom, one at the top so I can see where I am parting, and then draw the line. It's that easy, y'all. And look, there we go. 1 down. I don't know how many left to go. I'm gonna spray this Twist and Set lotion just because I love the way it just makes my hair feel. It makes my hair damp as well, and just look how my fingers just sliding through. And the last thing I add is a little bit of Shine and Jam towards the base, just so it gives it a clean finish. Not too much, just a little bit. And then we detangle. So I've taken this much hair to start with. This much. I'm going to divide my twist into 2. I'll probably show you it better in front. So I shall add a bit of Shine and Jam to just sort of straighten this out a little bit. I'll do that to the other one, just a little bit, not too much. Just so it sort of straightens it out like that. And then twist. Once I've twisted past where my hair is, then I will start to twist loosely. Okay, so as I'm going, I can see it's not as long as I want it to be. So I'm gonna add some more hair. Okay, so clip and continue. I do not put synthetic hair or any hair in my mouth because we don't know where it's been. So I'm twisting very loosely to give it that distressed look. Ooh, that's what I said. It's for distressed locks on the packaging. I could do that. And I'm just gonna cut that bit off. Okay, let's see how long is it. Okay, I actually love the color. I like that I added to the length as well, so yeah. Okay, 4 braids down. They look pretty cool to me. Let's draw the line for the next one. So I've completed the 2 rows at the back, and it's just to start with the 4 rows on each side now. Mirror. I literally have to keep ruling the line till it's straight. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I have a row on one side. So we divide this into 2, just like we'll do a regular twist. In the middle of the braid, take the first piece and wrap it around it. Be careful so you don't pull your edges. So just wrapping it around this first one. So wrapped it to an extent, or rolled, right? Grab the other piece with the hair and go over, right? And then just roll. I don't know if you're seeing. Roll this as well. Roll it, roll it. And then start to twist. Roll it on opposite directions. So I'm rolling this one this way. I'm rolling this way. And then twist them. Is it twist as the word? Yes. So roll this in this direction. Roll in the opposite direction and then twist. That's basically what I'm doing. Together at the same time. Okay, let me add some shine and jams to just straighten the little, like I said. This method works for me because I'm not blow drying my hair, so it just sort of helps it straighten a little. So twist opposite direction, twist opposite direction, and twist them together. Twist, 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 twist. And that's how you do it. And then when I get to like the halfway point is where I'm adding extra length. So the hair, I'm basically just putting it in the middle and grab and just twist. I don't know how else to explain that, but I hope you got that. I'm still twisting, I'm still twisting, I'm still twisting. And then when I get to a point where it's still too long, I do not put it in my mouth. I just clip it in, simple, and continue twisting. This is the easiest way. Please don't put hair in your mouth. Aside from the chemicals that are on the hair, imagine the amount of hands that have touched it in the factory, in the packaging process. Don't put that in your mouth. Come on, girl, you can do better than that. And I just cut any like flyaways. And it's not tied on my edges at all. You literally need a mirror every step of the way.
Twisting the back of my head is usually a bit tricky, but I use the exact same principle that I use to do the sides and the front to do the back. So I twist one piece of hair in one direction and twist the other piece of hair in the other direction, and then I twist together. And I just use my fingers to feel as I go and just twist. It might seem like it's a bit difficult, but with practice, it gets easier. It was harder for me to twist the back of my head a while ago, but now because I've done it a few times, it's just easy peasy. I believe I'm at the halfway point. 3 rows, 2 at the back and 1 here, and then 3 more rows. Slowly and steady, we're getting there. Whenever I'm doing a hairstyle, I'm always super careful that it doesn't pull my edges. And I'm always super gentle because you all know how long it takes for hair to grow. Imagine how long it'll take for edges to grow. So yeah, I am team protect edges at all costs. This is also a reminder to stop being harsh on yourself because getting straight lines doesn't happen overnight. It used to be frustrating for me to get straight lines, but now it's just practice makes progress. Sometimes I rule a line and the pattern is straight, and sometimes it takes me 5 tries, but in all things, I just go with the flow. I always try to make everything I do fun and positive so I don't get frustrated. At this point, your girl is like, oof, we tired, but do some stretches and get the ball rolling. End results is key. I don't think my center part is straight enough, but you know what? It's gonna have to do. Alexa, what are my notifications? Yay! Thank you. Khadijah, leave the center part alone. I'm even doing an off cut. It's even a bit off because I don't want it to be like right in the middle. I love braids and twists and all, but when I'm actually getting them done, I'm like, who sent me? It's always worth it in the end. Oh, the video didn't work. Okay. This looks like 1, but it's 2. It's the last one. We're almost there. Finally, the very last one. Let's do this. Oh my god, my nails. Okay. Welcome, plantain chips or what? Plantain chips or what? No good. Okay. I don't even want to clip this one because I'm like, I'm done. I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. Oh my goodness, this hair is beautiful. Ah! I love twists. My favorite style of adding extensions and making braids is twists. And this, oh my goodness, gorgeous. I love the color as well. Can't stop flipping. Flip! So I ended up putting mousse instead of dipping it in hot water because the hair is so soft and it moves and it has movement, and I just thought, why put it in hot water? And it is just perfect, and that's it. I ended up using 2.5 packs of the hair I bought, so that's not too bad. It's not too heavy, especially when I put it up in a bun because it is hot outside. So when I put it up in a bun, it's not going to be too heavy. When I leave it down, it's not dragging my edges either. I just love how soft the hair is. It's actually really soft. It's not itching. It's just perfect. I like the way the ends are as well, very fluffy. I was doing my braids so quickly because I also had booked an appointment at the nail spa to get my nails done, and I was like, oh my god, am I gonna make it? So when I finished doing the hair, I had to run to get my nails did. So plus my nails, plus my hair, I am feeling good. before I touch the life out of the hair. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you as usual for staying to the very end. You're the real MVP. I appreciate it. I hope you've learned a thing or two on how to twist your own hair. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Leave a comment below. Ask me the question, I'll respond. I'll let you know. Please don't forget to like this video. I know you like it, but just don't forget to actually press that button. Engage. Give your sister a bit of an engagement, you know what I mean? And on that note, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. I will appreciate it tons. Please press that bell so you get a notification for every time I post so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Have a good one. Love you. Thank you. Peace out. Bye.